Alex Kids Fun presents How to Make a Lego Dinosaur Out of Random Bricks. Learn and build. I hope I inspire you to make your own dinosaur. Hello! Today, we're gonna make a friend for this guy from our last video. Remember when I said we were gonna build a Triceratops? I think this guy would look more like a Brachiosaurus. I think we should build one of those. All about the Brachiosaurus. This huge dinosaur that lived in North America was living in the late Jurassic period. If you wanted a tea party or something inside your house, he wouldn't fit at all. He was so huge, he was about 86 feet long. They lived in the sauropod family and they ate plants only. Their name was a Greek word meaning arm lizard. These giants had long necks, tiny heads compared to their necks, and a ginormous body. Isn't it weird? Alright, before we start with the head, I want to introduce you to a Lego tool called the brick separator. It really helps when you need to separate bricks. It is quite a lifesaver. Not a lightsaber from Star Wars. Lifesaver. Now, let's get started with the head. So, here's about the middle. Then we could put this. And now this. Okay, let's put this down and make the bottom of the mouth. There's the teeth and ta-da! Okay. So we basically got the bottom of his mouth. Now, here are his eyes. He has green eyes. His front has yellow. And these pieces. Ta-da! We've got his head! Alright, let's get started with the neck. I hope you're enjoying building the dinosaurs. I'm pretty sure you're doing a great job. And the neck, very easy. Ta-da! Alright, let's put the head and the neck together. He's already looking pretty good. Yep. Alright. Now we could build some legs for him, or he wouldn't be able to go on walks and adventures with this guy. Okay, let's get started. Let's do the front legs first. First, we'll take these two pieces and put them right there and connect them. I think these are a bit small. Let's put some more pieces. And this. Oh, one front leg. Let's put it off to the side. And stick these two together. And stick them. And the finishing touch. Ta-da! 2 front legs. They look a bit weird, don't they? Oh, I think we should put this piece right here. Yeah, that was the big mistake. Now let's do the back legs. First, you take this piece and you put it beside this piece. Then you put this piece on top and then this piece. Pretty good. Now you can put this piece and that piece. Now let's do the other leg. Take this piece, put this piece, put this piece on top, and this piece, and then you put this piece, and voila! 2 legs. Now that we have the back legs, we can... Wait! Where did the front legs go? Hey! Where did they go? Front legs, come back! Okay. I caught them. Why were you trying to walk off the board, misters? Huh? Tell me! Tell me! Tell me! Tell me! Tell me! Tell me! Alright, now let's get started on the body. Now, come on, I hope the legs haven't escaped. Okay, good, they're still here. And yeah, run away, Lego bricks. Now, you front legs. Oopsies. Wrong leg. Did you know most Lego models can balance with only 3 legs or tires? This one obviously has 4 legs, not 3. And here's Mr. Heady Beddy with his partner Necky Meddy. Ta-da! He looks a bit weird. What do you think he's missing? Wings? No, not wings. Aha! A tail! Now, let's do the tail pieces. Uh-oh, oops. Wrong spot. Ugh, can't get it off. I think we need the tool. Remember this guy? I'll show you how he's used. So you put this right there. You hold this brick and ta-da! Okay, now we'll go here. Put this. And ta-da! Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. that we have most of the dinosaur and his tail not attached, I think we should put his tail on. Ta-da! And his friend! Dinosaur power! Ta-da! Alright, now that we have our Brachiosaurus, let's see what you know about them. Brachiosaurus are way bigger than an Ankylosaurus when they're born. Like this guy. He's still a baby, but he's still bigger than Mr. Ankylosaurus. Did you know when he grows up, this guy, he can become the biggest dinosaur in the world? Due to their size, they don't need to worry about predators at all. They're so big the predators can't catch them. They are so big because they use their long neck to reach the highest, juiciest, yummiest leaves up in the tree. Well, now that we're done, I'd like to introduce you to a dinosaur I made. He used to be plain red, but now my sister put spikes all over him, and they're pretty shiny. I hope I inspired you to build your own dinosaurs without instructions. My sister was very creative with this guy. She put the belly on his legs and uses him as a hanger for her hair ties. Isn't that funny? Everybody will find a use for their dinosaur. My sister has turned this guy into a hair tie collector. I wonder what he'll look like once she's put on all her hair ties. Bye! Please subscribe! Thanks for watching!